This is American sailor's thread or Matric thread. What is the formula for depth of cut? Depth of cut is equal to 0.64946 into pitch or 0.65 into pitch. Okay. So here also how this formula is derived, we will discuss about that. In this figure, in BSW thread, what happens? The crest and the root are rounded up. But in Matric thread or American sailor's thread, crest is flat according to root are also flat. Okay. So here how this formula is derived, we will discuss. Here you see h is equal to total from this point to crest to this point, perpendicular distance. Depth is equal to this is the actual thread form. Now this is h by 8, this is h by 8. Again in the same way we will say d depth is equal to h minus bracket h by 8 plus h by 8. D is equal to h minus 2h by 8 by LCM 8h by 2h by 8, 6h by 8 or 3 by 4h or 0.75 into h. So what is d is equal to 0.75 into h or h is equal to d by cross multiplying d by 0.75. This is one formula, equation, not formula, it is equation. Another equation we will find out. This is the triangle ABC. What is the included angle of Matric thread? 60 degree. In BSW, it is 55 degree. You have to remember this included angle of the thread. There are different types of threads we use in engineering industries here, but at present era, we only use Matric thread, what I am discussing now, American sailor's thread or Matric thread. Okay. So initially, number of threads were invented by different engineers, different experts at their own, and they established that. But now, internationally accepted threads are BSW, BSF, BSP, Matric threads of different formula. Okay, so here for Matric thread, included angle is 60 degree. So here, according to 60 degree, this ABC is a triangle, right angle triangle. Here A is equal to angle A is equal to 30 degree, BC is equal to P by 2, AB is equal to H. According to trigonometrical ratio, we will put down, then tan 30 is equal to BC by AB, tan 30 is equal to BC by AB. Put the value of BC, P by 2 into H. AB is equal to H. Putting the value. So H is equal, H tan 30 is equal, 30 degree is equal to P by 2. So H is equal to P by 2 into tan 30. Value of tan 30 is 0.57735. Putting the value P by 2.2 into 0.57735. Accordingly, we multiply it P by 1.15707. This is another equation. By putting, there is a H value of H, D by 0.75 and here H is equal to P by 1.15470. So if we set this value of H in both sides, D by 0.75 is equal to P by 1.1547. By deriving this formula, solving formula, what will happen? 1.15470D is equal to 0.75. D is equal to 0.75P by 1.15470. Okay, by solving this, it is deriving how much? D is equal to 0.6495193 into pitch. So decimals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th place. So instead of definition 7th place, it is very difficult to remember. We will put it 0.6, this 9 will left, here it will be 5. So 0.65 into pitch. So this is the formula we use to calculate the depth in metric thread. Whenever we cut metric thread, BSW threads are always represented by TPI. BSW threads are always represented by TPI. BSW, BSF and BSP means British Standard Whitworth thread, British Standard Fine and British Standard Pipe. These three threads are represented by TPI, thread per inch. In 1 inch length, how many threads are there? Standard charts are maintained. According to that chart, we used to produce this thread. Okay? And here in metric thread, all types of metric thread. What is how threads are represented? It is represented according to pitch of the thread. What is the pitch of the thread? Not TPI. In BSW TPI, metric thread, pitch. So if pitch generally 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, pitch may be there. So according to that, whatever the pitch is there,